In this video, we are going to see 3 essential verbs in Italian that you have to know if you want to speak with Italian native speakers. Essere, in English, is to be. When and how to use. Identity, to express who someone or something is. For example, I am a student or he is Italian. In Italian is io sono uno studente e io sono italiano. So, sono is the conjugation of to be, first person singular. We will see everything in a moment. Characteristics, to describe inherent characteristics or temporary states. For example, she is tall, lei è alta, or they are happy, loro sono felici. And for origin or nationality. So when you refer to where someone is from or their nationality, an example, they are from Rome, loro sono da Roma, or we are Italian, noi siamo italiani. And now the simple present conjugation. Io sono, I am. Tu sei, you are. Lui o lei è. He, she is. Noi siamo, we are. Voi siete, you are. Loro sono, they are. Voi siete is second person plural. And now avere, to have in English. When and how to use. First thing is to express ownership or possession. For example, I have a dog. Io ho un cane. She has a book. Lei ha un libro. Age. When you want to express one's age, use avere instead of to be, instead of essere, as in English. For example, he is 20 years old. In Italian is expressed with the verb avere. He has 20 years old. That is not correct in English, but in Italian the literal translation is lui ha 20 anni. Some physical sensations or condition. For example, when you are thirsty or you have cold, you need to use avere in Italian. So, in English, for example, use I am hungry, but in Italian is io ho fame. Conjugation. Io ho, I have. Tu hai, you have. Lui, lei ha, he, she has. Noi abbiamo, we have. Voi avete, you have. Loro hanno, they have. And to do, fare. Action or activities. So tasks or activities, action. I do my homework. Io faccio i miei compiti per casa. She makes cakes. Lei fa torte. Fa is the conjugation. Weather expressions. For example, it's cold. In English is with the verb to be, but in Italian you can say with the verb to be, that is è freddo, but it's very common to use fa freddo. For example, fa freddo fuori. It's cold outside. Expressions with sports and hobbies. She does yoga. Lei fa yoga. They do karate. Loro fanno karate. Conjugation. Io faccio, I do. Tu fai, you do. Lui, lei fa, he, she does. Noi facciamo, we do. voi fate, you do, loro fanno, they do. Practice with us. Write in the comments below at least one phrase using each verb. We will see every comment that you post below. And if you like this video and you want more of this kind of video, please thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to not lose any new videos, and activate the bell. We'll see in this video Master the Simple Present, where I explain in a very easy way everything that you have to know to master the Simple Present in Italian. So we'll see that.